Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the front facing bow everyone's been using. It's actually just right here, and it is this bow. I know it used to be just for only the front, but now you can actually toggle it here. So I think the front facing one, oh, you can also put it like this. So there are new toggles for the bows. This is the front one, and there's just a lot you can choose from here. There's even this like flower crown kind of inspired one. And they also changed the pose pack icon, but that is how you can get the front facing bow. There are like new bow toggles that are in the like update. So yeah, keep an eye out for that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.